very similar and great knives. This Kansbol I modified handle a bit for better grip, and what I was missing is this survival kit with sharpening stone and fire steel, and this is also very similar in size, very good handle, very good grip. I think it's even better than the Kansbol. The Kansbol is partially candy grind, so easier to make feather sticks, but you can make feather sticks also with this knife, actually with any knife. I like this full flat grind spear point shape better. So let us see. I think this one is lighter, Kansbol is lighter, so maybe it will have more carry time. I don't like carrying heavy knives. And now with the sheet, with the fire steel, it looks even better. Nice click, it holds really well. Fire steel holds really tight. Just like the knife. I love it. Amazing.